Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today our topic is going to be how we are going to add data to a table in a database using SQL. So if you see our last video, it is like where we have created a table using SQL. So now inside the table, how we can add the data elements. So like a row of data. So today we can see that can be achieved using insert query. So this insert query, how it works, so let's discuss. The insert into is going to be the statement which we are going to utilize in this SQL. While using this insert into, two ways it can be used. Like column wise, if you want to add some data, that also can be achieved. Okay, or else if you want to add all the values for a row in a table. Say for example, you consider you are having a table called customers. Okay. So consider you are having the table called customers. And this customers table, let's see, they are going to have these columns: ID column, name, and then age. Okay, so we'll see. So considering these columns to be a part of customers table, okay, first one column wise, if I want to add a data, okay, which column I want to add data, I will specifically mention that columns. So for first one, the syntax will be like insert into which table. So the table name, customers is our table. So insert into customers. Okay, and in customers, what are the columns you are going to add? I want to add only the name and age. Okay, so I will give name and age to be the columns. And what will be the values for that? Values I will again mention. Name will be like, okay, Komal. Okay, and the age is 29. So I want to include these values into this customer table. So this is like column wise we are specifying. Insert into customers table, name, comma, age. Value should be, name should be tagged with Komal, age should be tagged with 29. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, and the next way is adding the whole set of data into a table using the insert into statement. So how it can be done? Insert into customers. Okay, insert into customers. And what are the values? So instead of specifying the column name, directly you can give the values. But while giving, we should ensure that all the columns are given proper values in the proper order. So first is ID. I'll give ID as 01 and name as Kavita. Okay, and the age as 30. Okay, so using this, there is no need of mentioning the which column to be tagged to which value. Whatever the order you are giving, that value to be taken in an order. Say for example, if you give 01, it will be tagged to the first column, which is ID. The name, the second column, which is name. The age, the number, to be tagged to the age column. So like